Good morning. Myself Zareen
And myself, Fatma Sajid.
and we are from Mothers International Academy of Standard 8. Today we have made the model of biogas plant and AWG, which is atmospheric water generator.
Biogas plant is actually a system that converts the organic and agricultural waste like cow dung or vegetable peels into biogas that is a clean fuel, and while its production, some waste called slurry are also produced that are used as fertilizer in agriculture.
Let me tell you how it works. Cow dung is collected from the farms, then it is mixed with a liquid solution in the inland tank, then it goes to the digester where it decomposes without oxygen. This process produces biogas and slurry. Biogas is transferred to the petrol pumps and slurry is used as natural fertilizers in the fields.
Now let me tell you the uses of its different parts. First of all, the truck carries the agricultural waste to the biogas plant. Here the process starts with inlet tank. In the inlet tank, the waste is mixed with water. Then the mixture goes inside the digester. In the digester, the mixture is decomposed without oxygen to produce biogas and the slurry. When the slurry and biogas are produced, the slurry is taken to the slurry outlet where it's stored for using in the fields, and it is carried with the gas outlet pipes, and the biogas is taken to the petrol pump to be used as fuel.
It works on the principle of anaerobic digestion, the digestion that takes place without the presence of oxygen.
Even if there is a need, we can also improve it in the future by cleaning the gas, that is hydrogen sulfide H2S, which because it gives a very toxic smell, and also we can make it suitable for community use.
A question must be raising, why is there need of biogas plant? See, biogas plants are needed because they are sustainable and eco-friendly that benefit both energy and the environment. When waste rots in the open, it releases methane gas which harms the environment. A biogas plant converts this methane gas into energy, thus reducing pollution.
A biogas plant reduces pollutions. We can use the biogas plant for electricity generation, cooking, heating, and we can also use it as fuel for vehicles, etc.
This is AWG, which is atmospheric water generator. This absorbs humidity from the atmosphere and convert them into water. The water collected here can be used for irrigation purpose on the fields. This is the condenser, inside it is the fan, and this is the collector where water is collected. It shows the humidity percent and temperature.
The energy that we use in AWG is received from the solar panels.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.